have SLEM number 14 for our module. We have the first theorem, which is the two chords power theorem for SLEM number 14. So this one, according to this theorem, if two chords intersect in the interior of the circle, then the product of the lengths of the segment of one chord equals to the product of the lengths of the segments of the other chord. So kapag ka nagkaroon daw ng intersection sa loob ng circle ng chord, magkakaroon tayo ng computation wherein yung one chord, yung length of the segment of one chord ay equal daw sa product of the length of the segment of the other chord. Again, the product of the lengths of the segment of one chord is equal to the product of the lengths of the segment of the chord. Now, on this figure, we have chord AB, chord nating AB, and chord CD. They intersect at point P. So, nagkaroon ka ng nahati yung chord. So, meron kang apat na segments dyan. We have segment AP, segment PB, segment CP, and segment PD. So, doon lang maglalaro yung ating mga computation. So, we have there AP times PB is equal to CP times PD. So, for example, this is 2 and this is 4. If this is 3, ano yung magiging measurement ni PD? Ulit, si API 2, si PBI 4, si CPI 3, si PDI X. Kasi nawawala siya. So, ipapalit mo lang siya doon sa formula mo. So, AP is 2 times what's your PB? That is 4 equals, what is CP? 3. Ano yung PD mo? Yun yung nawawala times X. Actually, kahit wala na tong X na to sa gitna. So, kapag inulat mo siya the other way, 2 times 4 equals 3x. So, 2 times 4 is 8. So, divide both sides by 3. Now, you just divide 8 by 3. So, hindi siya sakto. That's 2 point. The value of your x is 2.67. That's yung kung paano siya kuhanin. Yung unang theorem. So, punta tayo sa mga examples dito sa module. Ito ay nasa module din. So, ibibigay ko din yung kung paano siya kino-compute. So, para lang makita nyo ano yung explanation doon sa module. So, find the value of x. O, yan. Lahat find the value of x. So, dito, we are just going to follow the formula. So, kung ito yung intersection nila, ito yung buong AB, nati siya sa dalawa, that's AE and EB. Tapos, ito naman is DC, nati din siya sa dalawa, CE and DE. So, 7 AE, that's 7, BE, that's 12, equals, CE is X, and DE is 14. So, parang yung sinample ko lang kanina. And then, bakit nagkabaliktad yan? Pwede naman kasi multiplication naman yan. So, itong 84 nanggaling siya sa 7 times 12. And then, yung 14x nanggaling siya sa x times 14. So, 14 times x. So, 84 divide by 14. Bakit nagkaroon ng division dyan? Kasi we divide both sides by 14. So, cancel to. So, kaya siya naging x. 84 divide by 14. The value of x is 6. So, kung gusto nyo ma-check kung tama, 14 times 6 is equal to 7 times 12. So, kapag minultiply mo 14 times 6, that will give you 84 din. 14 times 6, kung ayaw nyo maniwala, 6 times 1, 6 plus 2, 8. So, that is also 84. 12 times 7, that's 14. 7 times 1, 7 plus 1 is 84. So, that will give you the same answer. Take note that is intersecting inside the circle. O, next, ganito lang din dito. Papalitan nyo lang naman yung mga given eh. So, this is NR, that's 3x, MR, that's 2x, 12, and 8. So, 12 times 8 is 96. Take note, yung dito kasi nagkaroon ka ng dalawang variable. So, x times x is x squared. So, 3 times 2 is 6. So, 6x squared. Divide both sides by 6. Kaya ka nagkaroon ng 96 over 6 din. 96 divided by 6 is 16. To eliminate the squared, get the square root. So, the value of x is 4. So, check natin kung gusto nyo makita if it's correct. 3 times 4, that's 12. 2 times 4, that's 8. So, 12 times 8, so 8 times 2 is 16. That is also 96. Next, find the value of x. This is 11 minus x. Iba-ibang ano lang to, sample, yung kumbaga pahirap ng pahirap. So, this is 5 and this is 6. So, 5 times 6 is 30. X times 11 minus x. So, x times 11 is 11x. X times negative x, that's negative x. So, eto, ginagamitan na to ng algebra. So, this will become x squared minus 11x plus 30. Paano nangyari yan? Yung negative x squared plus 11x equals negative 30. So, negative x squared plus 11x plus 30. Then, eto kasing dalawa, bago to nilipat si 30. Bago nilipat si 30, eto ay ginawa na niyang positive, tapos ginawa niya tong negative. Tsaka niya nilipat si 30. Kaya yan, naging ganyan. And then, by algebra, ayan. So, we have x minus 5 and x minus 6. So, the values of your x is x equals 5 and x is equal to 6. Next. So, ganun lang siya, finding the value of x. Susundan mo lang yung pinaka-formula. Next is the theorem on intersecting second segments. This time, ang nag-intersect is seconds and it intersects outside the circle. Yan, kaya nakalagay dito sa pinaka-definition, it intersect in the exterior of the circle. Saan yan? Dito sila nagtama. Kapag ka-in-extend mo kasi yan, pag in-extend mo yan, yung mga second na yan, so meron siyang pinag-intersectan na exterior. So, ito yung exterior point na yun, which is point P. So, ayan, tatandaan nyo lang, PQ times PR. So, PQ, isang buo. Tapos, PR, itong maliit. Tapos, times isang buo. At saka yung dun sa maliit. Yun lang siya. Take note of that. Medyo maraming tricky ways or tricky mga questions lang dito. Pero parang i-add nyo lang yung segments para makuha yun. So, kuha tayo ng example. Ayan. Ito na yung pinaka-solution. So, kuhanin na lang natin to kung paano natin gagawin. Number 1, if RQ is 10, so this is RQ. RQ is 10 and PQ is 16. RS is 13. So, wala tayong value ng RT. We want to find the value of RT. So, ano ba sabi? Para hindi kayo malito, sulat nyo na lang agad. RP times RQ is equal to isang buo times ito. Then, RT times RS. Then, substitute. What is your RP? Your RP is, ano sabi? Wala kang RP, pero meron kang RQ at saka PQ. So, pwede mo siyang i-add. 10 plus 16, that is 26 times, ano yung nakalagay? RQ, that's 10. Si RT naman, yun yung nawawala mo. So, that's X. Si RS mo naman ay 13. So, pwede mo na din siyang baliktarin. Pwedeng 13x. So, multiply na 26 times 10, that's 260 divided by 13. So, x is equal to how many? 20. So, that's the value of your RT. Ang value ng ST mo is 7. Kasi 13 plus 7, that's 20. So, 13 times 20, ilan yan? 0, 6, so this is 1, 0 times 2, so this is 200. This is also 260. Sa number 2, ayan, so, ano yun natin? Erase natin to. Let's have number 2. Same figure kasi. So, kailangan mag-erase. So, for number 2, what's given to you is, if RQ is 8 and PQ is X, RS is 10 and ST is 20, find PQ. So, parang ganun lang din kanina. This is RS times RT equals RQ times RP. So, RS is 10 times, sa buo, baka malito kayo, 20 ilagay nyo, that is 30. So, makikita nyo naman sa explanation dito, 10 plus 20. Ito kasi RT, isang buo. Nilagay ko lang yan dito kasi nasa module din yan. Para makita nyo din ano yung pinagkaiba niya. So, 10 times 30. RQ, that's 8. And RP is 8 plus X. Bakit siya naging 8 plus X? 8 plus X sa isang buo. Ayan, medyo tricky na siya compare sa number 1. So, this is 300 and this is 64 plus 8X. Pwede naman yan. 300 minus 64 equals 8X. 300 minus 64 is 236. Divide both side by 8. Calculate. That is 29.5. Yan lang. So, try nyo. So, this is 29.5. 29.5 plus 8. Ilan yun? 29.5 plus 8, that is 37.5. So, 8 times 37.5, dapat maging ano yan? 300. Kasi equals sa 10 times 30. So, kapag kinalculate nyo yan, 8 times 37.5, that is also 300. So, that makes your answer correct. Ayun, sa number 3, ganun lang din naman yan. So, huwag na natin masyadong pakomplikaduhin. Let's go to our next SLEM. SLEM number 15. So, for SLEM number 15, eto naman si secant, tsaka si tangent naman yung nagtama. Kaya, according to the, theorem, intersecting tangent and secant segments. So, yung kung kanina, dalawang secant nagtama, tsaka dalawang chords, dito naman, secant at tsaka tangent. So, ang tangent natin dito is si PB, at ang ating secant natin ay si, ang secant natin dito is si PA. Tapos, nag-intersect sila sa point P. So, ang formula naman dito, yung nasa labas, eto, squared mo to. That's why you have PB squared. Take note ng squared, multiply mo sa sarili niya. Tapos, ito, PA times PC. So, yung parang kaninang ginawa natin. PA times PC. That is your formula. Medyo tatandaan nyo lang kung ano yung dapat i-multiply. So, let's have our example for this figure. We have, if S, number letter A, let's have letter A first. If SE is 8, and BE is 10, what is the measure of ST? So, this is ST squared kasi siya yung tangent. So, SE times SB. So, gawin nyo muna, sulat nyo muna yung pinaka-formula. So, since walang ST, so that's X squared. Ang SE mo ay 8. Ang SB mo ay 8 plus 10, which is 18. So, that's X squared equals 8 times 18. So, 8 times 18. What's 8 times 18, that is 144. Get the square root to eliminate the square root. So, x is equal to 2. Ayun lang. That's the value of your ST. Let's have letter B. Uso natin ito ng konti. Ay, sorry. Uso natin ng konti yung ating board. Ayaw mausod. Wait. Ayaw. Okay, let's have letter B. Sorry. Let's have letter B. Yun nga lang kasi nasulatan na natin to. Buray natin. Ayan, mabilis naman. Ay, nabura yung buo. Mabilis naman mabilis naman mag screen capture sa YouTube. Ay. So, if naka-YouTube kayo, screenshot nyo na lang. Ayaw niya. Ay, nabura lahat. Anyways. Yan. Itan lang natin. Ayaw talaga. Wait lang. Yan, lipat lang natin to. Tsaka tayo magbra. Ayan. So, let's have letter B. Ayun naman natakpang ko. So, for letter B, yan. ST is 6, and SE is X, and BE is X plus 6. Ito, medyo mahirap-hirap to. Find SB. Bakit mahirap-hirap? Kasi puro, puro variables. So, ganun lang ulit. ST squared equals SE plus, SP, SE times SB. Ano isang buo? So, 6 squared equals X times 2X plus 6. Saan mo naman nakuha yung 2x plus 6, ma'am? So, yung SE plus SB, that's x plus 6. So, variable plus variable, that's 2x plus 6. So, ito yung value ng SB mo, 2x plus 6. So, let's evaluate. This is 36. This is 2x squared plus 6x. And then, ipat mo na lang dito sa kabila 36. So, this is 0 na. 2x squared plus 6x minus 36. Divide mo muna sa lahat sa 2 para mas mabilis. Kasi divisible by 2 naman yun. So, x squared plus 3x minus 18. So, we are going to use algebra. So, this is 6 times 3. So, ano yung dalawang number na yon? That is x. Dahil mas mataas to, plus 6. And isang x minus 3. So, x equals to negative 6, x equals to positive 3. So, ang kukuhanin lang natin dyan is yung positive na sagot. So, the answer is 3. Pero, ano yung hinahanap? Value of x. Value of SB. So, this is 3. Tas, ito naman ay 3 plus 6. So, this is 9. So, si SB ay 3 plus 9. The answer is 12. So, SB is 12. So, testingin natin para ma-sure nyo. That's 3. Sorry. So, SB is 12 na, di ba? SB is 12. Gawin natin to. ST squared equals SE times SB. So, ST mo is 36 equals, what's your SE? That's 3 times, what's SB? 12. What's 3 times 12? That's 36. So, the answer is correct. Okay, so let's proceed. Ayan, this is also from SLEM number 15. Dalawang, ano yun eh, dalawang theorem. Pero ito, basic lang naman yung kailangan yung malaman dyan. If two tangent segments are drawn to a circle from an external point, so, dalawang tangent na to, tapos, nagtama sila sa labas. Ayan yan. Two tangent segments. Nagtama sila sa labas. Ito na yun. So, therefore daw, RS and TS are equal. So, equal sila. So, if this is 4, this is also 4. If this is 10, this is also 10. Ganun lang siya kadali. So, ayan. Parang bigyan ko kayo ng example. Wala ka pangit ng drawing. Gamitan na natin to ng tools. So, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng something inside. Ay, hindi pala. Sorry. Close natin yan. Ito lang pala. Tapos may circle sa loob. Susunod natin. Ayan, lagyan natin to ng mga label. So, if for example, this is 7. May A. This is point B. This is point C. This is point D. This is point E. This is point F. So, let's say, ito yung given natin. Burahin natin to. Pulang-pula. This is our given. Let's say, this is 7. And, yung buong AE is 10. Sige na, 15. AE is 15. So, itong isang buong to is 15. What is the measurement of segment, or what is the measurement of segment CE? Ayan, gagamitin mo lang tong theorem intersecting tangent segments. So, let's say, ito kasi si AB, ang kaparehas niya is si AF. So, this will become 7. Eh, meron kang given dito if AE is 15. Therefore, this is how many? 8. So, this is also 8. Ayan. Sorry. Kulang pala tayo. Let's say if CE is 20. What is the measurement of BC? O kung 20 to, o kung 8 yan, eh dito ay 12. Kung 12 to, ibig sabihin, 12 din yan. Ganun lang siya. So, sana, nagets nitong intersecting tangent segment. It's just all about the measurement of this segment, tangent segments. Na kapag parehas sila, ayan, nag-intersect sila sa labas, therefore, equal sila. Ayan. Okay, next, let's proceed to SLEM number 16. Eto na. Ano na to? Problem solving. Palitin natin ng konti to. Ayaw. Yan. Ay, sorry. Ayan. Palitin lang natin ng konti. Okay, let's have question number 1. The length of... sige, number 2 na lang. Kasi ito kakatapos lang natin nito eh. Palaki na nga natin. Ayan. Para kita nyo. Ayan yung umusod. Uy. Usod ka. Yan. So, SLEM number 16. Ito na, kasi malaki na yung figure niya eh. Ano lang yung susulatan mo dyan? This is 10. This is 15. This is 8. The question is, what is the perimeter of the triangle? So, when you say perimeter, add mo lang lahat. So, this side is 10 plus 8 is 18. This side is 10 plus 15, that's 25. This side is 15 plus 8, that would be 23. So, gamit tayo ng calculator. Ayan. Tinapalay calculator. Lumalawa pa nga. So, this is 25 plus 18 plus 23. The answer is 66. So, this is 66. Okay. Next, let's have problem number 1. So, ito. Crop natin. Para hindi na makuha yung ano. Yan. Okay na yan. And then, burahin natin to. Okay. So, for question number 1, we have here, ayan, malinis na. The length of the tangent to a circle from C, which is 25 cm away from the center, is 24. What's the radius of the circle? So, first, drawing tayo circle. Off. And then, the length of the tangent to a circle from C, which is 25. Draw tayo ng line. Ay, la. So, magdodraw tayo ng line. Ayan. So, kasi may tangent siya eh. Drag lang natin. Yan. Di pa ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. Tapos, center. Tala. Ayan. Ganyan yung magiging itsura niya. So, assuming ito yung gitna. Ayan, ito na. Ade, punta tayo dito sa circle muna. Ay! Ito muna tayo sa circle. Hanapin natin yung gitna. Laka. Ayan. Hanapin natin yung gitna. Para ito, pag inusod natin, alam natin saan yung gitna. Ay! Inusod natin. Ayan. Daming ginawa. Okay. Tapos yung circle. Wala. Hey, tanggal. Ayan. Nakakatawa kasi itong app na to. Daming pakana. Hindi ko naman masakto. Ayan. Ay! Ayan. Ayaw na niyang mabuo. Wala naman tayo circle. Wag na nga. O, yan. Basta yan yun. Ganyan yung circle niya. The length of the tangent of the circle from C, which is 25 centimeters away from the center, is 24. So, yung length ng tangent, eto yun. This is 24. Yung length nito, this is 25. We want to find the measure of the radius of the circle. So, we all know dun sa pinaka explanation sa module na kapag may tangent dyan, it will form a 90 degrees. So, this is a right triangle. So, balik tayo sa Pythagorean, a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. Take note, c squared is the hypotenuse, yung opposite the 90 degrees. So, this one is 25. So, this is 25 squared. So, ito naman, interchangeable naman si a and b. So, that's a squared plus 24 squared. Now, let's use our calculator para makita nyo kung paano siya isa-solve. So, this is 25 times 25. The answer is 625. Dito naman, 24 times 24. The answer is 576. A squared. So, tabi muna natin si calcu. Yan, balitin muna natin. So, this is a squared equals 625 minus 576. So, calcu again, 625 minus 576. The answer is 14. So, square root of 49, the answer is 7. So, kapag may calcu kayo, pindutin nyo lang to, the answer is 7. Therefore, your A is 7. Ang tanong, what's the radius of the circle? Now, sa mga SLEM nyo, huwag nyo kakalimutan yung inyong mga units. So, that would be 7 cm. Kasi yung check your understanding ng SLEM 16, write your own answer. So, please take note of the units. So, that's all for SLEM 14, 15, and 16. This is a 30-minute video. So, skip nyo na lang kung anong part yung SLEM 14, SLEM 15, SLEM 16. Okay, so good night and sana nakatulong ito. Thank you!